Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the gift card's redeem rules so you don't waste time. Once done, find the 1620 character code and any PIN from the email or physical card. Next, go to the issuer's official site or app and redeem the code into the issuer's wallet or your bank-linked payout option. Make sure to choose a payout path that allows transfer to your bank, because Phonepe uses your bank balance or UPI-linked wallet as the payment source. Once the issuer shows a redeem confirmation, move the funds into the bank account that you use in Phonepe. If the issuer offers direct bank payout, select your verified bank account and complete any KYC prompts. Otherwise, transfer from the issuer wallet to your bank. After you initiate the transfer, monitor the reference number and wait for the money to reflect. This can take minutes to a few business days depending on the issuer's process, so be patient and track the status. Now, open Phonepe and confirm the bank account that received the redeemed amount is linked and active. You can pay instantly with UPI using that bank, or if you added money to the Phonepe wallet, choose Wallet as the source. Enter the payment amount, confirm the UPI PIN, and complete the transaction. If the funds don't appear or payment fails, check the issuer's reference number and transaction status. Contact issuer support with that TRN.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.